Hey, you'll live time. Oh, in Zion. Got ink on the parchment, writing Torah books, then hit the black asphalt, getting brand new looks, riding through beautiful Israel, singing a goonin' with that leather hum, on a steel horse through the ancient land. Torah scroll in my soul and the throttle in my hand, that holy resonance, feeling the vibration, on the highway to Zion. It's a new creation.